Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, my Michael S10 Shopping Garage. Well, here's the update on my s10 aveo. That clunking, thunking noise that I heard, I finally found it. I thought it was the clutch, thank goodness it's not. I didn't think it was a transmission, and it's a 5-speed stick. Checked the gear oil, all was good. So I went down to do the axles. I swapped out the driver's side, and that didn't cure it. The transmission mount, the most recent video I done, that didn't do it, but that still needed to be changed. So here I go to the passenger side, which is a long axle, and come to find out that even though I torqued it at 110 and locked the nut in or on, that it backed off, and it was actually letting the axle have some play in it, causing the clunk or the clanking sound. So all's good on that. So I'm going to show you what I have done, and worst case scenario, what I'm going to do with the axle when I take them back out if I need to. So give me a second. Okay, this is just one of the spare short axles I'm going to use for the demonstration and take you out to the car and show you what I actually done. Now, down here is the aluminum plate I used to make two spacers. So you can see where I cut them out at, and it's right at 1/4 inch. You may have something else to use like steel like that. I just don't have it at that thickness, so the aluminum worked out perfect for me. So here's what I've done. It's not perfect, but there's my spacer. No thread, just a spacer. The bearing for the hub would be in this area. This would go on here like so. Of course, there's the factory washer, which goes on first. Then I put this on. And this is the nut that I'm using, which goes on to about right here. And the notch, or two notches, that you see, is where it locks in at. Well, it managed to unlock itself. This is my next step if it comes down to it. And I did the drilling. I'm doing prototype right now, and it worked out real good. I cut off the locking flange, as you can see. And this is where that fits onto it here flush with the factory washer between the spline and the shim. And I'm actually going to use, if it comes down to it, and I'll probably do it anyway, back in the old school days, here's how it'd work. And lock it in. Wish they'd still do that, but I don't know if they still do, but they don't on the cars I have. I'll let you know if I come doing this, and I will show you. And actually, that's the bit, and I'll tell you what size it is. Which is, and of course, Milner and Hoffman to the rescue. It is the 1/8 drill bit. Great bit set, let me tell you. It's well worth the money. I've done other videos with them. And of course, with the grinding wheel, but I haven't used the cutting wheel because I'm going to finish using these type of discs, and then I'll go back to the cutting wheel, which is this one. Works out great. So, onward to the topic. So, let's go out to the car and I'll show you this. I'll change my mind for right now. Here's what I'm going to do. And to get this lined up, let's let them a test light that messed up on me. I got basically for free at the Good Guys Riding Custom in Columbus, Ohio. Okay. Just got to get her all lined up. Just like so. I just do that to align it. Now here's where this goes. Just like back in the good old days. It's not going nowhere. Once you cut this to length and flare the tongs out, or the clip, you got it. So I'm going to leave that as is. Let's get out to the car. Okay, we're out the car. Dogs are barking. Neighbors' dogs barking and traffic, so please excuse that. Okay, hope you get to see this. There's that factory washer I was telling you about that goes to the bearing and to the knuckle. There's a shim I made, and just to get it going, I've notched that locking collar to lock it in better, but I'm probably going to do it the other way. Put this on. I was trying to experiment, which didn't work. I was going to put set screws in it. Yep, that didn't work out. Not everything I tried the first time works out, so I'll go another direction or try to improve it. And torque it to 110 foot-pounds, and we've got it. And bend these tabs down instead of the collar now, and lock it in place and hope for the best. Safety first. Okay. This was the problem with the clunking noise. I was really worried about it. Thought, okay, the clutch is going out, transmission's going bad on it. She's got 167 and change on the clock, still going good. And she runs like a dream, and she handles just the same. So there you are. So give me a sec. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the shop. Alright, to do it this setup, it's going to take some time. And I do mean some time. And for the other part of the setup, the block of wood, the 1/8 inch drill bit, and set it at, there's your info you'll get with the bits if you buy them. And the hardened steel and iron, 2,000 to 4,000 RPM. That's where you set it at. That's what your belt setup will look like. This took me some time, so be prepared if you do it. You have to do it before you put the axle in. And if you do this, there goes your warranty. Because you have modified it and it wasn't made to modify. But that's the way I am. I've become my own warranty. Just a FYI for you. You do this, there goes your warranty. So on that note, I get her flip back around. Hey everyone, I try to keep the sun out of your eyes. So everyone have a safe, blessed upcoming Thanksgiving, and to all past and present veterans, Veterans Day, thank you all for your service. And that is all for now. And as it's getting cooler, I'm doing less of these until she warms up, unless I have to, like I've said in the prior video. So keep the wrenches turning, easy on the knuckles, and I'll see you when I can see you. Thanks everyone, and for my subscribers, and for the views I'm getting, thank you all so very, very much. It is heartfelt. Hope it all helps you all out, and or shortcuts, or if you want to do it, you can see the shortcut to what it takes me to do it, to what you can do in a short period of time. So, peace out, and have a great one. Thanks everyone. Bye.